Hi, it's David WTI. And if you ever stumbled upon the Strange Planet comics on Instagram or social media, you will love them in a book form. And this book even comes with a little section for yourself to draw on it. So it's a great gift idea. Whoever you have in life will enjoy a gift like this because it can give you ideas for your own cartoons and things to draw or do or observations in life in general. For example, there's the book's characters at the dental office now feel completely helpless. Oh, hi, says the patient. What makes you react this way? When did you feel the most helpless? So there are deep questions that you can even consider and talk with your kids or family, but also a good self-reflection book where you can think, how do I feel in this situation? What are the things I want to think about? Or this one. It's just so funny. I formed an idea and then discovered I was wrong. What were you feeling when you reacted this way? Describe another being who helped you realize you were wrong about something. So many great questions in a humorous way. Who would not love to read or do these exercises from this book? I absolutely love it. I have not started to write things down yet, but I've read it and I think it's so hilarious. I absolutely love the way Nathan W. Pyle thinks and the way he writes comedy. I hope you will enjoy it too, but that is of course just my point of view.